When cooking with seafood, sustainability is the name of the game. With our oceans under so much pressure from overfishing, climate change, and plastic pollutions, it's up to us as the consumer to make sure that we understand where our seafood is coming from and it's produced in the right way. So today I'm going to be showing you a piece of seafood that's not only the world's first in sustainability, but also one of the most prized seafoods in the culinary world, the Glacier 51 toothfish. Found in fishing grounds surrounded by glaciers deep in the subantarctic, the Glacier 51 toothfish was the first fish in the world to be certified as carbon neutral, thanks to a commitment to sustainability from parent company Austral Fisheries. So today I'm going to be cooking for you a crispy skin Glacier 51 toothfish. First steps of this recipe is to cook the fennel in the Kombu stock. We're just taking the ends of the fennel off. We're just going to cut little sections off, keeping this core in the middle, and that'll stop it falling apart when we're cooking. We're going to put 750 ml of water into this pan, placing the fennel in as well. And then we're putting some Kombu seaweed in. When we're making Kombu stock, we never want to bring it to the boil. We're always bringing it to just before the boil and then turning it down low. Okay, this fennel's been cooking for about half an hour now, and the seaweed's almost doubled in size. And to really push out some flavour in this dish, we're going to put some Bonito flakes into the stock now. And we just take that off the heat, and that'll just infuse there for about 5 minutes. The seaweed's given the stock lots of beautiful flavour, but we're also going to put some of it back into the sauce itself. We're going to put that back onto the heat now. We want to reduce this down by about half. So we want about 200 mils of seaweed stock. And now we add that back to the pan. And this is the basis of the sauce that we're going to have today. As a general rule, when we're making a butter sauce, we're going to go double the amount of butter to the amount of liquid in the pan. We want to make sure this is cold straight out of the fridge. And we just cut it into little cubes, which we're going to add one by one. Okay, we're going to add a pinch of salt to that. And then just a little squeeze of lemon. So now we can take that off the heat, and we're going to put our sliced seaweed back into that sauce and just our wedges of fennel. Okay, we've got this beautiful piece of Glacier 51 toothfish, and we're going to get the skin nice and crispy and then finish off the dish. So to do that, all we're going to do is just really pat the skin dry. And this is the same with any white fish, really. We just want to get all the moisture out of that skin, and then get a hot pan. We're going to start it hot and then turn it down. We're going to salt the skin, and then we just put a little bit of oil in the pan. You don't need much. Straight down, skin side down first. So once we've let the fish skin seal, we're just going to add a knob of butter to that. And then we turn it down low for about 5 minutes with the weight on again. And it should only need about 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. And then we turn the heat off and just let it rest. Now this is taking your fish to the next level. Crispy skin Glacier 51 toothfish with fennel and a Kombu butter sauce. Fishermen battled gale force winds and 10-metre swells to bring us this product, and I think this dish does it justice.